Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Enjooooyyy, but you can call me Zippy. Let's address the giant in the room. My hair is looking rusty, very rusty, but that has a very good reason. Before I get into this video, I want to give a very big shout out to a very beautiful lady, a very gentle, calm and supportive and very loving lady. Her name Doreen Angulu. Man, this lady has been supportive from day one. Woo! God, if supportive was a person, if support was a person, then Doreen is just the exact definition of support. Doreen has been commenting on every single video that I have posted. She watches all my video from start to end. Man, she wishes me, like she inboxes me and tells me, I wish you good luck in this. You're doing good job, keep doing what you're doing. Hey yo, by the way, I see all the support and the love that you give me. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers right now. I think we are at 673 right now. I don't know tutakuwa tumefika ngapi when this video is being uploaded, but thank you so much for the support. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you so much. Tufike 1,000. And also, let's keep our hair healthy. So now let's get into this video. So today I finally get to do the DIY deep conditioning treatment. If you've been following closely, I did mention that I was going to do this in a video yenye nilikuwa natoa zile twists, and this is the time. Today has come. So first thing is first, let me share with you guys how I prepared my DIY treatment. So with me, I had 3 bananas. Please don't judge my bananas. They were in the fridge for a bit too long. An avocado, 2 eggs, and another piece of avocado that I did not get to finish the previous night. So now I'm simply washing my fruits. You want to wash them just to remove any germs that could be on top of them. And then you slice your avocado into half and scoop it all out in the blender. When you're done with your avocado, you go to your banana. There's no particular order of putting your fruits in the blender. You basically do what you want. You can start with your eggs or avocado or bananas. And just to mention, my bananas only look crusty on the top. They are not rotten. They are very fine. One can even eat them. It's just because they've been in the fridge for a bit too long. So I had a lot of ingredients or fruits because I was sharing this particular DIY treatment with someone else, and I decided to make like a lot. If it's only for your head, like just you alone, you can decrease the amount of bananas or avocado or whatever you want to decrease. So now I got to add my eggs. Hizi ni eggs za grade, si za kienyeji. And finally I added in some water because the paste would be too thick, it would not blend. You might want to mix the ingredients a little bit just to make your work easier. So now here comes the trick. Blend and blend and blend completely until there's literally no lump of any ingredient, no bananas or avocado. Just blend and blend so much. And now it's time to add my castor oil. I'm only adding 1 tablespoon, just 1 tablespoon. That's enough because castor oil is pretty thick. Again, like I said, blend and blend and blend until your paste is so fine that there is no lump. Those lumps are so hard to remove when you apply them on your hair, and they give you a hard time to wash them out. So now I'm done and I'm transferring my paste to my bowl. That's how it looks. And here it is. This is how our treatment looks like. So it's darkish because I left it for some few hours, and banana huwa inakuwa dark ukiacha when it's in open air. So I'm first going to start by spraying warm water on my hair just to lift my cuticles and open my cuticle up, so that DIY treatment itaingia ndani, like the nutrients and everything from this DIY treatment, they will just penetrate into my hair. Haitakuwa na hard time. And then I have this bag, paper bag. Ni ya tissue, ni ile tissue ya roll 10. It's really big, it's huge, itafit kwa kichwa. Sijapata paper bag since those paper bags were banned. I've never really had one. Like squeezy, I can't even access those paper bags since they were banned. But anyway, it's good for the environment. So I'll wear that immediately nimepaka DIY treatment, and then my 2 shower caps. The shower cap mazezi zimebit sai zimeniskuma, and I think that's all that I need for this. Oh, and a bonnet. Just my normal bonnet that I always wear. So those are the things that I'm going to be using for this particular DIY treatment. So since my hair is already in sections, like even, I think I'll not sitatoa, so I'll just work with what I have already. So I'm just going to take one section out like this. Spray in some warm water. You definitely want to work that water in just to open up your cuticles, especially if you have low porosity hair like I do. So now next thing is to apply, and I'm just using my bare fingers to just apply this stuff like this. This is going to be messy, so you have to be like psychologically prepared for that. And there we go, work that in. Focus on your ends always put more focus on your ends, and then finger detangle. I'm not going to use a comb, so that part is done, and we twist it. And there we go. Hey guys, so this is the morning after I washed my hair jana. And get this guys, I'm preparing myself to go to school for an exam. And I unravel my hair, then boom, this is what I have. Don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining about how my hair looks because it looks really, really nice and stuff. But the residue is still on my hair. Oh no. What is this? What? How am I going to go to school? And believe you me, I washed my hair twice. Like I washed myself thoroughly, and then I came out of the shower. And then later on I realized, oh my god, it's not clean. Then Aisha volunteered akaenda kaniosha tena. Then I was like, this is it. It has to be clean now. Like obviously it has to be clean. Like I've washed you almost 10 times. You have to be clean. So I didn't look. I did my twists, went to bed. Now I'm waking up. This is what I have on. My god. Mi sijui hata cha kusema. I'm just confused. I don't know how I'll go to school. I might just assume and just walk like this. Like seriously. Akiona. And it's all over. Just see. I don't know if I would do this treatment again, this day white treatment. I don't even know which particular fruit imefanya nikakaa hivi. I don't know if it's the banana or the avocado. I'm not sure, but I'm so sure that I'm not doing this again with those two, avocado na banana. Maybe just an egg, that I'm so sure about. But aside from this residue being there, like I think that I love the results. Aside from the residue, I think that I'm in love with the results. Look at how you know, bulky and voluminous my hair looks. It just looks so healthy. Inakaa ni kama nimemake it. Inakaa tu poa. I think I love the results, just that I don't like the residue being there, and now I don't know what to do. But aside from all that, I love how my hair turned out. And trust you me, I don't have any product on, by the way. I don't have any product on, so I do love these results, because it's not any product, it's nothing, it's just the it's just the DIY treatment. So I do love how it made my hair look, and it makes my hair feel. I feel nice. Honestly, I do feel nice. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. See you in another video. Bye bye. Wish me luck in my exams.